Students, today we are going to learn one concept based on the right angle triangles. So this concept will help you in the trigonometry as well as in the Pythagoras theorem. To prove the Pythagoras theorem, so we are going to use this concept here. So how it is there means in a right angle triangle, if we are drawing the perpendicular from the right angle vertex. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. And one more thing they given here, and so BD is perpendicular to AC. So from this we will reduce three results we are going to get. What is the first result means, that is AB square is equals to AC into AD. This is the first result. AB square is equals to AC into AD. The second result from this only, CB square is equals to CA into CD. So third result what we have here, third result, it is BD square is equals to DA into DC. These are the three proofs which we are going to learn today. So this will help you in your Pythagoras theorem as well as right angle, that is trigonometry. See here, for the first proof, I am doing the first proof here. In triangle, this is we have to do by similarity of triangles, that is in triangle ABC, full triangle I am taking ABC, and next triangle ADB. ABC and ADB, I taken two triangles here. So what are the things equal, can you say here? Angle, so this one ABC is equals to angle ADB equals to 90 degree. This is given, correct, no? Because it is 90 degree and perpendicular means, so those two angles will be 90 degree will come. So the next angle what I am doing means, angle BAC is equals to angle BAC. Here angle BAC is equals to angle BAD. This is common angle. So next these two angles are equal means remaining third angle must be equal. So if any two corresponding angles of one triangle is equal to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, then we can say that the third angle must be equal. What is the third angle here, Andre? So that is ACB is equals to ABD. So this is remaining angle. So therefore I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. So we can write the ratio now. Ratio is, first I'll take AB by AD is equals to AC by AB. Cross multiply. cross multiply, so we'll get AB square. AB square is equals to AC into AD. AC into AD. So this is the first proof. So we can pause the video and copy down, so then later I'll discuss the second one. Okay students, now we'll go for the second proof. To the second proof, I'll take a triangle. So again the same full triangle I'll take. In triangle ABC, full triangle, and next I'll take like this triangle C, this one BDC. I'll take it as BDC. Two triangles. One is ABC and BDC. A triangle ABC and BDC. These two triangles I am taking now. So I'm going to put these two triangles as similar way what we did in the last time. Angle ABC is equals to angle BDC equals to 90 degree. This is again given. So next part, which is the common angle, means angle ACB. C is common for both the triangles. Angle ACB is equals to angle ACB is equals to angle this one BCD. This is common angle. So then third one, angle BAC. Angle BAC is equals to angle DBC. This is remaining angle. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. So now we'll write the ratio similarly. So first I'll write this one BC. First I'll write the BC by DC is equals to then AC by BC by DC is equals to AC by BC. So again you cross multiply, that is BC square is equals to AC into DC. So this is your second proof. So please pause the video and copy down. Okay students, we'll start the third one now. So to prove the third one, I am taking the triangle, this one triangle BDA, and triangle I'll take it as CDB. I'll take like this, BDA and CDB. So yes, last time we have proved these two things. Angle ABD, this angle ABD is equals to angle BCD, this part. This angle will be equal to this angle. This we have proved in the first. It is proved. So next one, angle I can say the same way. This angle angle BAD is equals to angle CBD. This is also proved. So then the remaining angle, which is the remaining angle, 90 degree it is there. Angle BDA is equals to angle CDB. It is equals to 90 degree. This is given. So therefore triangle. Therefore, I can say that triangle BDA is similar to triangle CDB. So now write the ratio BD अथवा AD by BD is equals to BA, that is BD by CD. Cross multiply, so we'll get BD square is equals to BD into CD. So these are the three proofs. This we are going to use in the triangles. So pause it down and copy down, students.